Hi everyone, this is Lady Vintage Bags here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And today I'm coming at you with a luxury unboxing, and today it's ready to wear. So let's get started. Drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So this is what we have here. So we've got a bag from DHL. So I bought this from a Japanese reseller. They usually use DHL as their method of shipping. Now this time, it's not actually an eBay purchase. So this is how a lot of the eBay purchases come from Japanese resellers. But what happened was I bought it from my usual favorite eBay reseller. But this time I discovered that they have their own direct website. So instead of going through eBay, I went through their direct website because the price difference was 150 Australian dollars. Now you do have to be cautious because then you don't have all the eBay protection when you're going directly through their website. But I purchased from them many times before, so I felt comfortable doing so. So let me stop rambling and let's start opening this bag here. So because it is ready to wear, I do have to be really careful opening this because I don't want to be causing any damage to the garment. So Japanese resellers often ship things via DHL, and unless it comes with an original box, they usually get shipped inside a satchel and just bubble wrapped. So they don't provide you with a box if there's no original box. So this is a ready to wear item, so there wouldn't have been a box anyway. Okay, so here it is, wrapped in tissue paper. Okay, so we can see there's a collar. And can you see that tag, guys? What have we got? Chanel. Let's check out this tag. So we've got one of those really old tags. Size 38. Collection 26. Now when I researched, I found that this is from 1991. So this is a wool jacket, guys. Okay, so this is the seller that I like to use. So they're called Brand JFA. They have an eBay store, but remember I said I bought it directly from their website. And it says, do not cut this tag. Please note, return only will be accepted if this tag remains attached. So they've got a little tag there. So check out these buttons. So I don't know if you guys can see the detail if it's coming up in the camera there. So we've got gold CC right there. And the fabric on this button matches the fabric trimming on this jacket. So we've got a wool jacket, size 38. It's got this beautiful outlining here. We've got these folded up pockets here. And all the buttons are still there. So we've got 4 buttons on the sleeve. 4 buttons on this sleeve. Okay guys, so let's try it on. Okay guys, so here's the jacket. So I did check my measurements before buying this jacket. So when I was doing some research on how to check what size you are in Chanel, particularly vintage, I learned from a couple of other people's videos that you really need to know your own measurements, such as waist, chest and shoulders, and don't rely on the size on the tag, because in different collections the sizing can change. So it's really important to know your sizing and then match it up with the sizing on the ad. So that's what I did. And I also checked it not only against my body, but against other jackets that I owned that fit really well too. And so I did take a gamble. The measurements did look like they would fit. And guys, I'm really happy with the fit here. So I was really unsure at first, thinking would this style be of the size that they were stating, but I really think it is. So let me just show you the fit with it buttoned up. So guys, if you don't know your own measurements and you're buying clothes online, particularly Preloved designer, know your own measurements first. Just get a tape measure, measure your own body, measure the measurements against clothes that fit you well, and use that as your basis. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I don't know if any of you guys are Simpsons fans out there or used to watch The Simpsons, but when I first saw this jacket, what really drew me to it was this black outline, and it reminded me of when Marge Simpson bought a pink Chanel suit for $90. Doesn't this remind you of, because her one was a pink Chanel suit with black outline too. I don't know if anyone's going to get that reference, but if you do, you know what I'm talking about. So guys, I'm really happy with this fit. It fits my waist just well. It fits my shoulders comfortably. So I can do this. I can cross my arms comfortably. I can lift up my arms comfortably. The arm sleeve length I was really concerned about because I thought, oh no, it might be too long based off the measurements, but this is no problem at all. Because this is a Chanel jacket, I didn't want to have to alter it or do anything to it. I just wanted to be able to wear it as it is. I wanted it to fit like a dream. And guys, I'm really happy with this fit. I do think that this fits like a dream there. I like jackets that are a bit fitted and gives you a nice waist, and I feel like that's what this is doing for me. Now check out the back, guys. So I don't know if you can see the stitching there. It does give that nice outline from the stitching there. Okay, so now let's see what this looks like if I just undo the top. So if I wanted to wear this a bit more open, okay, so that's what that looks like. So to me that's a nice look as well. So this is probably how I'd wear it rather than completely buttoned up unless I was really cold. So really happy with this fit, guys. What do you think about the colour? It's coming off a little bit lighter because of the lighting I'm using in the room. This is kind of like a, I guess you could call it a little bit of a poo brown. So the pockets aren't actually where these flaps are. The pockets are actually behind the flaps. Because you might think, oh, that's a pocket, I'll lift up the flap. But no, it's not like that. It's actually behind the flap. Okay, so now let's see what it looks like completely undone. Okay, so if I was just to walk around like that, so I'm really happy with that look too. So I like it all three ways. I like it completely buttoned up, I like it half buttoned up, and I like it undone too. So comment down below, which way do you think is best for me to wear this jacket? Completely done, half done, or undone? Now I don't know if you guys have seen what the lining of vintage Chanel jackets look like. So this is like a silk lining. I don't know if you guys can see there. It's got little CCs embroidered into it. So can you see one there? So that's another luxe feature of these vintage Chanel jackets. They've got this silk CC embroidered lining. It's fully lined. You find that sometimes modern jackets, they may appear to have a lining here and they've got no lining in the sleeves, so they're cutting a little bit of corners these days. But this is just absolutely beautiful. The condition of this jacket is beautiful. There's no rips or tears anywhere. So it was advertised as some stains in the underarm. So I can't see any stains on this underarm. But I do find that the Japanese resellers, particularly this one, are really good at overstating flaws. I can't see any here either. They'd rather overstate the flaws than understate them. So that's something I really appreciate when buying from Japanese sellers. I've never felt as though the item was not as described. I mean, I don't buy the worst condition things. I do buy like moderate condition things. I don't always buy really good condition things too, because sometimes they're out of my price range. So I usually just stick around the moderate condition and just deal with flaws, because I use my things anyway. I want to cause flaws on them myself, so there's no need for me to go pristine condition. Well, not on my wage at least. I don't earn enough money for that. And this is what it looks like worn on the shoulder. So guys, that's the seller I bought it from. So you can either hit them up on eBay or you can go to their website directly. So like I said, going to their website directly, you may not get all of that protection that you would have got from eBay. So do shop with caution if shopping with them directly. Otherwise, if you want to be safer, just go through eBay. So let's just take a look at the tag. Okay, so we can see there, it says Chanel Boutique. Now we've got this really old long tag. So first of all, we've got the size tag, which is 38. And then we have the care instruction. So this is dry clean only, really. Okay, we have collection 26. Style or model number is 21504, size 38. The color is 2602. I don't know what that means. And the fabric is E01. I don't know what that means too. But it does tell you the composition here. Is it's wool 90% and nylon 10%, and that the lining is silk 100%. So wool 90%, nylon 10%, and the lining is silk 100%. This is beautiful, guys. If you don't already own a Chanel vintage jacket, go for it. So how much did I pay for this? Let's talk prices. So I paid 60,000 yen free shipping was included in this. 60,000 yen worked out to be about 701 Australian dollars on the day that I bought it. So that includes my shipping. So at first I was really tossing and turning about whether I should buy it. I thought about it for about a week. And in the end, you know what, I saw this design, I thought it was really different. I'm not really a tweed or boucle jacket kind of person. So I do have some designer dupes for the tweed slash boucle look. So this was from the brand OJ and this is from H&M. And you know what, I never really wear these, so I thought there's no point in me spending nearly $1,000 on a Chanel tweed or boucle jacket if I never even wear them to begin with. So that's why I was looking for other types of jackets, because I know that that's not really my style. But when I saw this, guys, this black outline just got me. Love it. So for any of you guys out there who are thinking of pulling the trigger on a Chanel jacket, if you live in a climate where a jacket is appropriate for you, and you live a lifestyle where wearing a jacket is appropriate for you. Like for example, this is a Chanel jacket, but I'm not just going to save it for special occasions. Like I'd wear this just walking my dog with a pair of jeans. If you live that kind of lifestyle where you will incorporate your designer goods into your regular life or into an aspect of your life that happens regularly, go for it. Pull the trigger on it because this is divine. So I was also hesitating on pulling the trigger on this jacket because clothes are a particular size and your clothing size can change over time. So unlike shoe size, where you're less likely to change shoe size, so shoes can last you for longer, clothes, you can change in size from 6 months to 12 months depending on what's happening in your life. You might be working a lot, you might become more sedentary, you might be going through things where, you know, you're not in a very happy state of mind and you might gain weight, and then all of a sudden your beautiful designer good doesn't fit you anymore. So I was hesitant in that respect. So I had recently changed size. So starting from January last year, I've been on a weight loss and fitness journey and I've lost about 7 kilos since then. So this time last year, I may not have been able to fit this, but this year I can. And I was really concerned that, oh, if I gain weight again, I won't be able to fit this beautiful, expensive jacket that I bought. But I've been sustaining quite a healthy lifestyle since then. So, and I aim to continue my healthy lifestyle. So I do plan on being this size and continuing to wear this beautiful jacket. But that is another thing to consider when you're buying ready to wear, is if you're someone who experiences weight fluctuation during the year, from a summer weight to a winter weight, or whatever it is you're going through, do consider that in when spending lots of money on ready to wear, because if you're not going to be able to wear it in 6 months time, maybe it's not worth you investing the money. Maybe you should put that money into a handbag where it doesn't matter what size you are, you can wear it no matter what, or a pair of shoes where you're unlikely to change shoe size. So thanks for coming along with me to this beautiful unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a nice day everyone. Bye.